What is good, guys? It's your boy the Sniper Trader, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time seeing me, I recorded a previous video telling you about myself or who I am and what I do and all of that. So do check on that video and then get back here. Let's talk. So this video is going to be very raw. I'm not going to cut anything out. I'm not going to edit anything out as well. It's just going to be raw information, and I'm going to give that to you for free. For free. I don't like the way that came out, but yeah. So I would like by I would like to start by saying that trading is not easy, but if you stick to the process, you're going to enjoy. All right. It's going to take a lot from you. Trust me. I'm being honest. I've been there. Trading is going to take a lot from you, but at the end of the day, if you stick to the process and you don't give up and you find your food, you're going to enjoy because it will get to a time where you feel like you want to give up because it's not working. It's not working for you. You know, you're going to lose friends. You're going to lose a lot of money, and you're going to lose a lot of money, and you're going to lose a lot of money, and you lose a lot of money again, and then you lose a lot of money again. So people come into trading and they think that, oh, so you can make a lot of money in trading, then oh, I'm going to buy a new house tomorrow, I'm going to buy a car tomorrow. Pump your brakes, bro. You're going to lose money, and then you 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 lose money. All right. So don't let nobody fool you. Trading is not easy, but at the end of the day, it is worth it because you are going to enjoy a lot of perks once you get your foot in the way. You know, because once you have a strategy that works, you are disciplined, you follow your trading plan, you journal every day, every single trade, you're going to win, bro. Trust me, you're going to win. And I'm not saying that you're going to lose money because I want to scare you or I'm trying to be, I don't know, like, but bro, the reality is that you're going to lose money, okay? I want to say that because a lot of traders don't know this. They come into trading and think that it's a get rich quick scheme. It's not get rich quick scheme. Get rich quick scheme. It's not, bro. You're going to lose money, all right? But if you stick to it, because bro, it's going to drain you. You will lose all your cash, bro. Like if you put it in, you lose it. If you put it in, you lose it. If you put it in, you lose it. That is how it is. But at the end of the day, it is worth it if you stick to the process and you don't give up, and then you actually focus on the goal, regardless of the amount of money you lose, friends you lose. You're going to lose friends. That's also true. You're going to lose friends. People are going to tell you. People are going to tell you that what you're doing is not going to help you. What you're doing is a scam. Like today, people think trading is still a scam. I don't even know how they think, but yeah, they think trading is still a scam, but it is not. Well, I'm not here to tell you it's not a scam. If you think it's a scam, it's a scam, bro. At the end of the day, you do you, I'll do me. Alright, but this video is not about me. Trading is going to take a lot from you, but it's up to you if you're going to stick to the process. If you're able to stick to the process and you don't give up, you are going to win, bro. Trust me, you're going to win because you feel like you have friends. They wake up, they go to their 9 to 5. They wake up, they brush their teeth, yeah, dress, take a shower, go to their 9 to 5. At the end of the month, they get paid, and then at the end of the month, you lose money, but they get paid. So you're gonna think that you are left behind, and life is, like it's going to put you in this kind of I don't know how to put it, but it's a feeling, bro. I would not even wish that for my worst enemy, bro. Like it's crazy. Okay, but at the end of the day, if you're able to stick to the process, when you start winning, when you start making, the cash, lot of money, when the things start to get back to you, you're going to look at those people with a 9 to 5 as, what are these people? What are they doing with their life, bro? Get a job. What job is that? 9 to 5? What? That is how it's going to feel like, you know. So you're going to be here while they are here when you start trading. But once you get your food in the door, you're going to be here and then they'll be here. Right? Yeah. That's how it is. Okay, guys. So this is what I have for you today. Make sure you don't give up on trading. All right. Stick to the process and you're going to win. It's your boy, the Sniper Trader, and I'm out.